whakakotahi ai ngā tino kaitautoko whutupōro mai ngā tōpito o te ao mo te Rauna, Nunui.
Yeah, we're from Hunter Valley.
No te puaha wai katoa, hey?
Sydney, Australia.
Trying to score us some signatures from other teams, but we're actually supporters of the Chiefs.
Can't wait. Counting down. Here comes the boys. Here. Woohoo! Hurry up, Cody. Woohoo!
Whatai mai te Rauna Nunui o te Super Rugby Pacific ki Aotearoa mo te wā Ōtautahi. No tēnei wiki, ka tākaro ngā kapa tekau ki te One New Zealand Stadium ki Te Kaha. Ka tīmata te Whatumoana me te Waratahs i te Rauna nei.
I think it sort of spices things up a bit, adds something different, especially under a roof. Like the brand of footy that's going to be played is obviously going to be fast, and I think it's going to be an exciting watch for the fans, and I think the players are all excited too.
Aha kua kaore anō ngā tīma whutupōro kia tākaro ki runga i te papa o Te Kaha, i tēnei wiki i whakaharatau te Whatumoana i reira. Hei tā taha kēmara, he wā hirahira tēnei mo tōna tīma.
Something we've been looking forward to for a long time. A lot of kickers will sort of feel the wind before the game and adjust their kicking, where they're aiming and stuff like that. But I think here's pretty consistent, obviously, with the roof. It's actually obviously different to being outside, and it's a bit of an adjustment. For the week, it takes a bit of, I wouldn't say ease out of the mind, but it does a little bit when you don't have to worry about the conditions and stuff like that.
No te taite I hoki mai te tauira o mua o te kareti o Hatopeti, a Charlie Gamble ki tōna kāinga me tāna kapa te Waratahs no New Hope te wera. I reira, I whakaharatau rātau, a I tūtaki hoki ki te neke atu I te rua mano ngā akonga. Hei tā Gamble, he pai te hoki mai ki tōna whira.
Special opportunity, being a CAD tab to verse the team that I grew up, watching and idolising. But I'm very excited. Pretty cool opportunity to be the first team to play in there. Personally, this feels like home to me, so I definitely don't feel out of place. It seems so long ago now. I actually don't know where the time's going. Yeah. Probably haven't put the performances out that we've wanted to so far. A good performance tomorrow will really get our season back on track.
Kei te tuku te Rauna Nunui o Ōtautahi I ngā hui tūtaki ki ia kapa I te Bridge of Remembrance, ka haere tonu a te toru karaka I tēnei ahi. Ka tū hoki he rārangi whakangahau ki te taiwhanga hou tai atu ki te kai waiata no konei a Scribe me Mallow Studios, me ngā kai whakatangi pahu o ngā kuki airani e noho ana ki Ōtautahi.
Crusaders are on a roll. They got two losses on a roll. Yeah. They're on a roll.
Tomorrow night wouldn't mind the Tars winning. Hey. Even though we're in Crusader land, but hey, never mind.
Go the Charge.
Jesus, brother!
All the best to Charlie and the Waratahs as well. They're our brother, but they cannot win tomorrow.
Ora kairingi Nicholas, Tahu News.
Ko te reo